Hi, this is Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. Thank you for clicking on this 2020 Boston Whaler 21-foot Dauntless. We just received this boat in stock, and she is powered by a Merc 200 V6 4-stroke, max power for this model. Also, you notice the black bimini. This is a white hull color with red Whaler graphics and a gorgeous SeaDeck package on the whole deck of the boat. In the center of the screen, you see the spacious casting platform that quickly folds up to accommodate 3 adults with a backrest for aft seating. The popular Helm seat with a backrest that has multiple positions for both forward seating while driving and aft seating while at anchor. A spacious helm on the center console, plenty of room for electronics. This boat already has a fusion head unit, Mercury vessel view, and a JL audio system. As we move forward, we get a jump seat in front of the console that is a second livewell, couple rod holders and cup holders. The full cushion package on the bow of this boat, there is a full beam forward fish box and then an anchor locker under those cushions. And this boat has the elevated grab rails for additional safety and the anchor roller for added convenience. A couple more cup holders and another good shot at that wraparound windshield and grab handle, as well as the bimini, which stows forward, leaving ample space in the aft cockpit for fishing or water sports activities. The center console is large and spacious, with plenty of room for additional electronics, a convenient storage compartment built in on the right side for quick grab items, has the Mercury vessel view, a tilt helm, a foot rest both higher and a toe kick lower, and lots of space between the console and the gunwales to get to the bow area, where you're greeted with a lounger, a jump seat, convenient grab handles, additional cup holders, and lots of dry storage. And this concludes our close-up look at this 2020 Boston Whaler 21 Dauntless. Come see it in person at MarineMax Clearwater. This has been Matt Norman. Thank you very much. We'll see you on the water.